Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Jacob Grider, and today we're going to do some rear brake lights on a 1999 to 04 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. It's a pretty easy job to do, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what you need for this job, and we'll show you how it's done. Starting off with bulbs, you're going to want some 3157s, and then moving on to gloves, you're going to want some gloves. One, to prevent your oils from touching the glass. That can prevent cracking. And then also, just in case if the glass breaks, you got something to keep your hands nice and protected. And then you're going to want a Phillips head screwdriver. I'm just going to use a drill, make my life a little bit easier. To get that rear tail light out, you have two screws, one up here and one down here. I already took that one out. I've got this one pretty loose. Should be able to get it out by hand. Let's see here. Oh yeah. She's out. Stick that over there. It's probably best to have a plastic bag to put your screws in, but for now, this works for me. From here, this comes out. It's kind of cool. To do the rear taillight, it's the top one here. You actually don't have to unhook anything. You just have to spin this little dial here. And it pops out, just like so. There's your old bulb. And that one's fried, so we're going to put it in the new one. Like I said before, it's always good to have a set of gloves when you're dealing with the glass. Preferably clean gloves, that way you don't get any oils or dirt and garbage on them. So that just comes out, and you want to pull that bulb out, and we're going to go ahead put the new one in. Now that we've got this new bulb ready to go, all I gotta do is stick it back in its little place here, screw that in, she's ready to go. Just finished out both tail lights, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.